Hi everybody, it's me, Kendra from I Can Sew, and this is day 10 of Vlogmas, but it is day 2 of me of the fitting that I have for my owner and pet pajama ensemble, right? So I am in the middle. If you remember, we were in the middle of measuring him. I've already cut out the pieces to McCall's 9254, which I bought from Walmart. So this pattern envelope has 8 different, well, let me make sure I count this right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different options in there, including the E, which I think is really cute. Well, look at this with the little scarf. Anyways, this whole thing was like $4.97 from Walmart. And again, it is an easy, it's considered easy. So I'll be doing a review on this and to let you know at the end of the day, is this entire thing easy, right? So this is the final product. It's not final, but you know what I mean. Now, what I found that I did not take into consideration beforehand are 2 things. One, this is a jogging material, so it's stretchy. It's a jogging sweatsuit material, and this is not. So this doesn't stretch the same way. This is maybe like I don't know what this is, like fleece. It's not fleece. What's the other thing called? Felt. Oh, come here. And the other thing I didn't consider is he has a lot of hair. He's really bushy. I know. Come here. Let's do this and then we'll go out. Come on. Come here. Come here. Let's go. Come on. Let's try this on. Come put this on. Come put this on. So I have put this on him, and everything looks great so far. I need to finish up the part in the back that makes the pants and the shirt look separate, and then put on the Velcro and the bias tape, and then I'll be complete. I'm super happy with this, and I can't wait till you see part 3, which is the final version. Thank you again for watching.